Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade strawberry ice cream from scratch. Now, this is a custard based ice cream. It serves up to 4 people, but if you want to make it for yourself, you can make it to serve 1 person. Not only is this ice cream creamy, rich, and full of strawberry flavor, but it is absolutely delicious. Now, I do have other custard based flavored ice creams that you can try. I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is all what you'll need to make your homemade strawberry ice cream. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some whole milk, heavy whipping cream, 3 large eggs, sugar, salt, 1 pound, that's 16 ounces total of frozen strawberries, thawed and ready to go, 1 large lemon, and some vanilla extract. And I forgot to mention that you will need some strawberry extract. Now this is optional if you want to use it, okay? You will also need an ice cream maker. Now this is a 1.5 quart ice cream maker by Cuisinart. And lastly, you will need an airtight container or bowl to put your ice cream in. And there you have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. In a food processor, we're going to add the entire 1 pound of frozen strawberries thawed. Just add them all in there all at once. We're going to blend this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now let's get started with our strawberry sauce. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, add your strawberry puree, 3/4 cup of sugar. Here we have a lemon. We're just going to cut that in half. We're going to take a mesh strainer and place it inside the pot, and we're going to squeeze a half a lemon. Give this a quick stir. Now you're going to let this come to a simmer first, then you let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes now, and our strawberry sauce has cooked down exactly what we want, and it is done. Turn your fire off. Now you want to let the strawberry sauce cool completely. Once done, place it into a bowl and then place it into your refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight, so that way the flavors can settle and increase. Okay? We're going to separate 3 egg yolks from 3 egg whites. We're going to take the egg whites and place them into one bowl, and we're going to take the egg yolks and we're going to place those into a separate bowl. Okay, we added our egg yolks into a medium-sized bowl. We're going to add 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to take a whisk and we're going to stir this vigorously until it resembles a pale yellow color, like how you see here. Exactly what we want. Now we're going to preheat our fire to medium-high heat. In a medium-sized pot, we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk. Give this a quick stir. You're going to let this come to a slight simmer. Okay, our mixture is at a slight simmer now. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir again. Now at this time, you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Now we're going to add our milk and cream mixture into our egg yolk mixture into 3 separate intervals while mixing continuously with the whisk. And this is known as the tempering method. It prevents the eggs from scrambling, okay? We don't want scrambled eggs in our final product, alright? So you just want to continue to mix this until it's combined. And there you go. Simple as that. Now we're going to preheat our fire to medium-low heat. In a medium-sized pot, you're going to add your custard mixture. Just pour it in there all at once. Now we're going to take a spoon and we're going to stir this continuously for 6 minutes or until that custard mixture thickens slightly. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes now, and our custard mixture has thickened slightly. Okay, exactly what we want. Now we're going to turn our fire off. Pour your custard mixture into a mesh strainer with a medium-sized bowl underneath it. Now, to tell if your custard has been overcooked, as you can see, my custard has no egg particles in it. Now, if your custard has egg particles in it or it has an eggy smell, that means you overcooked it, so you'll have to do it over again. Okay, so now we're adding 1/3 cup of our strawberry sauce, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of strawberry extract. Give this a quick stir. It's looking pretty good so far. Now we're going to take some plastic wrap and we're going to add that on top of the custard, and this is to prevent that skin from forming on top. We don't want that. Okay, now we're going to cover this. Place this into your refrigerator for 6 hours, or for best results recommended, let this sit overnight so that way the flavors can settle and increase. I'll let my custard sit overnight. We're going to remove that plastic wrap off top. As you can see, that has gotten really thick, exactly what we want. I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Alright, here we have our ice cream maker base. You want to make sure that you freeze your ice cream maker base for 24 hours before you make your ice cream, or according to your ice cream maker's instructional manual. Okay, now let's make our ice cream. We're going to start by turning our ice cream maker on. Now we're going to add our strawberry custard mixture. Just pour it all in there all at once. And to that, we're going to add the rest of our strawberry sauce mixture right in there. Now you could add as much as you like, but I'm going to just add the whole thing in there just for maximum flavor. Okay, now we're going to let this churn for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 25 to 30 minutes now. We're going to turn our ice cream maker off. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, it's kind of overflow, but that's okay. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, that's nice and beautiful and smooth. Nice pink color. Exactly what we want. Looks great. Now we're going to take this and place this into a medium-sized bowl or an airtight container. Okay. Now we're going to place this into our freezer for 6 hours for soft served and overnight for hard served ice cream. Here is the final presentation, and there you have it, homemade strawberry ice cream, made from scratch by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe, along with all of my other recipes, at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned, as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Oh man, look at this. Homemade strawberry ice cream. That was so good. I mean, the ice cream is creamy, not too sweet, just right. Has a nice strawberry flavor. Absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. Really, really good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.